Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add multiple pages in Canva, whether you're working on a presentation, an ebook, or a multi-page campaign. Managing pages effectively can save you a ton of time. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're logged in and have your design open. In the lower right corner of your Canva editor, look for the grid view icon. It looks like a checkerboard. Click it to see all your pages as thumbnails. In grid view, you'll notice a plus icon next to your pages. Click it to instantly add a new blank page to the end of your project. If you need more than one page, just keep clicking the plus icon. Canva automatically organizes these pages into your layout, keeping everything neat and consistent. Each new page is ready for your creativity. You can add text, images, elements, or templates, just like any other Canva design. If you want pages to have the same style, you don't need to start from scratch. Hover over a page thumbnail and click Duplicate. This makes a copy so you can keep a consistent design across your project. Using grid view gives you a bird's eye look at your project. You can drag pages to rearrange them, delete ones you don't need, and make sure everything flows in the right order. And that's it. Now you know how to add, duplicate, and organize multiple pages in Canva. A simple skill that makes complex projects much easier to handle. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.